guys. Gimana persiapan HITC Jepang kemarin ya? Oh my goodness, Japan was so fun. It was so fun, and saking we had so much fun on stage, like our Indonesian friends and like people in the 88 board and like investors and people who tim kita dari Nona yang nonton, orang Indo yang pas di Jepang, they were like, oh my gosh, this is your best Head of the Clouds performance. And we're like, really? Why? Because I felt like there were so many things that went wrong in that performance, tapi thankfully it was received very well. Thankfully. Karena itu bener-bener kayak Shaz did a live a couple days ago, probably talked about this as well, tapi so many things went wrong, tapi jadinya lucu karena kita berempat thankfully we're very unserious, especially when we go on stage. Kita udah gak mikirin lagi kayak narinya, nyanyinya bagaimana. We just wanna have fun. That's our number one thing. When we're going on stage, we will always just like, okay, we've already practiced everything. We can still be professional, blah, 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 but at the end of the day, our priority is to have fun. So we did. And then saking we had fun, we forgot a lot of things. Like, Shaz said she forgot her line, so I had to be like, hello, why don't we start with introducing ourselves, please? Terus lucunya habis Ade seharusnya memperkenalkan kita semua, harusnya dia tuh skripnya Minasan, konnichiwa, we are Nona. Tapi tiba-tiba dia udah duluan kayak, oh my goodness, Japan is so fun you guys. We've always wanted to go here together berempat. Terus aku kayak, Ade, kita introduce ourselves dulu kali ya. Minasan, konnichiwa, we are Nona. Terus halo, watashi wa Nona Christy, watashi wa Nona Baila, Esther, Shaz. Terus abis itu seharusnya Christy yang ngomong. Harusnya dia bilang, oh like we're gonna have so much fun here in Japan. I can't wait to eat the ramen. I can't wait to eat sushi, matcha, blah blah blah. Tapi Christy juga lupa lain dia. Jadi aku yang harusnya kayak, wow, shout out to Indonesia. Are there any Indonesian fans in the audience tonight? Aku kayak, kalian pada kenapa ini? Oh my god, tapi itu jadinya lucu banget, jadi bahan ketawa pas kita selesai manggung terus ke backstage kayak semuanya udah kelewat. Terus lucunya, ini yang paling lucu sih guys, lucunya pas sad face kan kita setlistnya tuh sebelum sad face apa ya, Superstitious? Was it Superstitious? Yeah, it was Sizzle, Superstitious. Yeah, Sizzle, Superstitious. And then kalau nggak salah we were supposed to talk before sad face. Nah kita kasih cue ke kakak playbacknya tuh, tolong mainin sad face. Cue-nya untuk mainin lagunya itu pas kita semua duduk di panggung kan, kita duduk tuh buat sad face biar kita santai-santai nyanyi-nyanyi yang enak gitu. Kita duduk, nggak dimain-mainin tuh lagunya. Jadi kita harus kayak, aku sama Baila harus banyak ngobrol. Kita harus yang kayak, oh my god, it's so fun to see your fans in Japan, blah blah blah. Kita berdua udah asbun. Terus udah liatin ada asisten kita kan di depan, yang di samping sound engineer-nya. Terus dia yang ada mic untuk kasih tahu ke orang playback yang di backstage untuk main lagunya. Kita udah pantengin tuh, kayak mata aku udah liatin dia, namanya Giselle. Mainin lah lagunya. Kita udah mati gaya, udah nggak tahu mau ngomong apa. Padahal aku seingat aku Baila udah yang kayak, this song is called Sad Face. Terus nggak dimainin lagunya. Terus kita yang kayak, Sad Face is one of our favorite songs to perform. Masih aja nggak dimainin lagunya. Terus aku kayak, can we please? Gitu deh. Jadi itu HITC Jepang ada banyak lucunya. So many. Pakai acara aku batuk lagi di mic, itu kedengaran banget. Oh my god, so sorry, that's my fault. I don't even. Ada J-Real. J-Real, you the man. Because all of us watched your apa namanya, fan cams yang penuh dengan teriak-teriakanmu. Shout out J-Real. Love you. Bener-bener fan cam kamu kita Any hair colors I want to try in the future? That's such a good question. I love it. Aku dulu sempat blonde. You love my Instagram feed? Thank you. I take pride in having a good eye for aesthetics because I am a very aesthetic person. Kak bisa nukang apa aja? Jadi guys, ceritanya tuh aku baru pindahan rumah, terus apa namanya, my bedroom got an upgrade. Thank Jesus, I have a slightly bigger room now. Jadi aku mau upgrade lemari. Nah dari kemarin tuh aku belanja lemari, tapi aku tipe orangnya aku suka DIY. I like doing things myself. Padahal papa sama mama udah yang kayak udah apa just like hire someone untuk cat dindingnya karena dinding aku sempet abu-abu, terus aku kayak aku nggak suka abu-abu, mau cat putih kali ya. Ya udah, jadi kayak papa sama mama padahal udah yang kayak udah just hire somebody to do it for you, or like biar kamu juga gampang, biar kamu fokus kerja aja. Terus aku yang kayak nggak mau, I wanna do it myself. Ya udah, dari kemarin aku cat dinding. Aku beli di toko bangunan, beli satu pel yang gede, beli ininya juga apa rollernya, terus ya udah tempel plastik di apa namanya di lantai, aku selotipin apa segala, udah tuh satu tembok aku cat putih semua. Terus habis itu kayak aku jemput aku pick up lemari baju aku yang baru, so aku pasang-pasang sendiri, aku pakai bor. Dan aku di LA, di rumah aku di LA juga I love building things myself. Ya udah deh, jadi deh my closet. Isn't it so cute? Isn't it so pretty? Aku bikin ini dua aku yang bikin. Ini juga hangernya aku yang pilih karena aku mau aesthetic. Like I'm the biggest Pinterest girl. Bagus kan hasil catnya? Thank you guys. And then aku mau lengkapin studio aku. This is gonna be my studio area, but this, it's all me. Period. Esther the Builder. I love it. And that's actually my dream, guys. Like if I wasn't in Nona, or if I were to pursue another career other than being, you know, a singer and being in this girl group, I would definitely be an interior designer of some sort. Maybe own an interior design company someday, or have like toko furniture. I don't know, maybe something like that. Yes. Who's my favorite character in 911? That's a hard question. It changes all the time. Sometimes it's Buck. Sometimes it's yang main ibunya siapa? What's her name? Nine 911 characters. Agatha? What is her name? Athena. Oh my goodness. Athena. Yes. Bella bantu ngecat nggak? Enggak. Aku I take pride in doing things myself. Mungkin karena aku anak tunggal ya guys, jadi aku suka banget mandiri dan ngerjain apa-apa sendiri. Tapi ini aku ada bantuan sih. Pas ngecat, aku minta bantuan teman aku, my best friend, Kaica. Yeah. What is my lock screen? My lock screen is literally just... Oh, bentar. Hapus notifikasi dulu. It's literally just a croc, like... a croc brown background. Bubur diaduk atau enggak? Don't hate me. Jujur banget aku nggak suka ngaduk bubur lagi, karena aku suka kayak ngambil pakai sendok tuh kayak ambilnya pisah-pisah as opposed to semuanya dicampur. Sorry. Suka ketoprak gak? Suka banget. Aku kalau di dekat kantor kita, kantor nggak tuh, di dekat studio nari kita biasa kita latihan di Jakarta, ada tempat makan ketoprak enak banget, pasti kita selalu pesen dari situ cause it's freaking delicious. Hari ini ulang tahun kamu, happy birthday to you. Cepet banget. Hi, could you please tell us how you learned English from the beginning? I learned English because I grew up in an international school. I grew up in a classical Christian international school. But my church growing up, like everybody also spoke in English, and then my parents speak in English a lot. My big family, kayak keluarga besar aku juga semuanya kebiasaan ngomongnya pakai bahasa Inggris. Aku malah dulu I was actually really bad at speaking in Indonesian growing up because I was always surrounded by super English speaking people, and I had to relearn how to speak proper bahasa when I went to college. Dan dulu aku kan masuk badan eksekutif mahasiswa, jadi emang harus menggunakan bahasa Indonesia yang baik dan benar gitu loh. So I'm not mixed. I get that a lot, but I'm pure Indonesian. I do have some Dutch in me, but I think that's about it. From my my mom's side. Yeah. Ngomong Batak, I'm so sorry guys, aku nggak bisa bahasa Batak karena aku lebih in tune with my Makassar side. Ako dong, Nona. How was my day? My day was so fun. I woke up early. Aku sempet olahraga, sempet stretching bentar, terus mandi, terus beli matcha karena aku belakangan ini, I used to be such a coffee girl, tapi belakangan ini aku lebih banyak cari matcha sih. And then I went to have some lunch. Terus habis itu nyalon sama adik, jadi pulang. Apa namanya? Aduh, cepet banget ini. Enggak ke Disneyland bareng adek. Jadi kita tuh pasti Jepang, kita pulangnya pisah-pisah pesawat. And I went home first karena aku mau ngurusin pindahan rumah kan apa segala. Terus aku juga nggak terlalu pengen lama-lama di Jepang karena keluarga aku nggak ikut dan I didn't really have anybody to explore Japan with, so I went home early. Tapi tadinya mau ke Disney sih, tapi pas aku lagi di sana di hari-hari terakhir aku di sana tuh aku apa namanya? Why can't I speak? Oh, cuacanya lagi jelek, cuacanya lagi hujan, terus aku sempet pas pergi belanja jalan-jalan kemana-mana tuh harus pakai payung terus becek, and I'm like I told my assistant who I was going with, Mil, kayaknya enggak deh kalau kita ke Disney terus harus jalan-jalan kemana-mana pakai payung. Aku kayak I'm gonna be miserable and I'm not gonna enjoy it as much as I would love to, and I don't wanna have to be miserable on the day I go to Disneyland. Jadi kita yang kayak udahlah cancel aja, kita belanja-belanja aja, kita jalan-jalan. Nggak jadi ke Disney deh. Tapi pas when Ade went, cuacanya lagi bagus banget. Terus aku kayak bete. I do read comments about Rollerblade. I just choose to ignore it because I want y'all to be patient. Patience. Sabar. Nggak usah tanyain lagi lagu baru kapan. Masih sering jadi WL nggak? Jujur, because my schedule is so aku takutnya kalau misalkan aku komit jadi WL terus tiba-tiba kita dijadwalin ada kerjaan tuh hari Minggu, aku takutnya kayak nggak enak ngomong ke pengurusnya di gereja kayak I'm so sorry I have to flake out. Aku juga nggak mau kasih harapan palsu. But I think I'm gonna sing at church next week because aku fixin kayak sama asisten aku kayak nggak ada jadwal hari Minggu, please sekali-sekali gue mau pelayanan. Dream girl group collab. You know what? It would be so fun if all the girl groups that are active right now just all came together and made a song. I think that would be so fire. Especially our Southeast Asian queens. Yes. This is such a fun question. Kalau member Nona jadi makanan, mereka bakal jadi makanan apa, Esther? Okay, let's do this. I am a martabak. Tapi martabak manis karena aku suka coklat dan aku yang paling sawo mateng. Complexion sawo mateng. I think I would be a martabak, but martabak yang coklat dan keju dan kacang karena aku agak there's a lot of layers to me. Kalau Baila, I think she would be like something super spicy, even though she doesn't eat spicy food, but I think she has that personality where she's like stands up for herself and she has that sass, you know. That's Baila. Something spicy. Apa yang pedas? Nasi padang. Yeah. Kalau Christy adalah cimol. Enggak guys, Christy cimol. You know why? Karena dia kalau on stage dia berapi-api, jadi kayak kalau digigit tuh agak keras, tapi once you get into her, like once you get inside and you know her personally, she's the cutest, most adorable, cheesy person. And then Ade is Ade apa ya? Ade apa ya? Ade itu nggak bisa diem. Jadi, if she were gonna be a food, bakso deh. Karena bakso kayak kalau pakai pisau lagi, kalau pakai apa namanya garpu, kamu tusuk biasanya kan kayak nggak mau diem tuh bakso, kayak suka lari-lari. Oh, kenapa tiba-tiba ada topi? Takut. Jadi Ade is bakso. Karena dia anaknya gak bisa diem. Complexion sawo matang, rambut dua sisi kepang. Give me more fun questions like that. I love it. Kalau Nona jadi barang apa? Barang apa? Apa yang maksud? Asal kalau kamu lagi sakit perut biasanya obatnya apa? Oh, aku kemana-mana selalu bawa peppermint. I'm a peppermint girl. Can you see my nails? Aku kemarin pas di HITC Jepang, nailsnya lumayan panjang. Terus aku kayak, kepanjangan. Aku padahal dulu I love long nails. Like aku selalu kalau ngomong kayak gini, baddie Esther. Tapi belakangan ini mungkin karena aku belakangan ini suka nukang ya. Jadi aku potong pendek. And I'm back to my punk girl, goth girl era. Kalau Nona jadi genre lagu, I love that. Okay, I am R&B for sure. R&B or hip hop, one of those two. Baila is definitely like girly pop. Like she's such a Sabrina Carpenter, Ariana Grande girl. Shaz is straight up hip hop and art. Shaz sama aku mirip sih. She likes hello. Shaz loves artists like Kehlani or Jhené Aiko. Christy is hard because Christy listens to anything and everything. Mungkin Christy bisa disamain sama Baila sih. She gives when she performs, or if you like meet her in real life, if you talk to her and you like get to know her, she's very girly, she's very feminine. Oh, dangdut Christy. Oh, baiklah. Oh, tiba-tiba Wali disebut. Oh, baiklah. Nggak salah sih. Iya kali ya. Yes, Christy is more summer pop. Like I could totally see her doing a Zara Larsson concept because she is the island girl. Like, yes, Nona as a whole are island girls, but Christy is the island girl. Spill skincare, maaf ya guys, aku nggak terlalu pandai kalau soal skincare. Kalau mau skincarean tuh tanyanya adek. I'm not that good with skincare, I promise. This is all the TikTok filter. Yes. Cepat sekali. Tadi ada yang komen suruh aku pakai behel. Stop ya. Do I still play Animal Crossing? Yes, I do. Spill app favorit. I'm a Pinterest girl. Aku buka Pinterest mungkin bisa setiap hari, cause I get inspired by seeing art. Dan kalau aku nggak di Nona, atau mungkin maybe later in the future, I would love to dive into interior design. Ada wawancara di mana ya? Aku lupa. Di Vindes mungkin atau di Volkatif, aku lupa. Tapi ada pertanyaan, kalian kalau nggak di Nona, kalian kerjaannya apa? Terus aku panik, aku nggak bisa jawab, jadi aku jawab aja. Aku lumayan asbun sih, aku kayak, oh I wanna make a marketing company. I do not want to make a marketing company. I have a degree in marketing, but I want to pursue something that has to do with marketing, or I can put marketing into good use, but maybe not marketing specifically. So that's my answer. I want to do something with interior design or fashion design, just something that can make me work with art closely that doesn't have to do with music. Yes. 3 items I cannot live without. Accessories. If you catch me, if you see me, aku bakal selalu pakai aksesoris. Kayak mau beli bahan masak aja, aku harus pakai aksesoris. Like just going to the grocery store, I have to use accessories. Because I think you can come up with like the most basic outfit, tapi pakai accessories, everything just looks better. That's 1. 2, brows. My brows are very thin, jadi aku kemana-mana harus pakai alis dulu. Walaupun aku nggak makeupan, walaupun aku cuma pakai skincare, kalau aku hari itu nggak pakai makeup, setidaknya aku pasti pakai alis. Alice and Lashes kalau bisa, tapi kalau nggak ada waktu ya udah Alice aja. Dan yang ketiga, I cannot live without earphones. Kemana-mana kalau aku nggak pakai earphones, aku kalau masuk mobil harus pasang musik. Kalau aku lagi nyetir harus ada musik. Kalau aku lagi disetirin harus pakai sesuatu di sini. Kalau nggak aku bisa gila. Gitu. Makanya pas di LA kalau misalkan kita kemana-mana disetirin, terus kita lagi berempat di mobil nih, aku suka kelewat percakapan mereka bertiga karena aku selalu pakai earphones or my earbuds, and then mereka harus ceritain lagi apa yang mereka cerita di mobil karena aku biasanya kayak nggak peduli, aku mau dengerin musik. Wait, I love that question. Queen, what is a song you wish you had written? Dude, there's so many songs. As a songwriter or somebody aspiring to be a proper songwriter, there's always moments where like ada orang rilis lagu and I'm just like, I wish I thought of that first. I'll name a couple. I wish I wrote Tweak by Girl Set. That song is bomb. Tweak is fire. And they sampled one of my favorite songs in the world. They sampled Weak. And they made it sound good. Gitu loh. Kayak biasanya tuh kalau sample dari kayak early 2000s R&B or like sampling from really nostalgic songs, it's very tricky because it can be a hit or miss. Tweak is a hit in my opinion. I think they did a really good job making that, and I'm pissed that I wasn't a part of it. I would love to write songs for other girl groups. Tweak made me so jealous. I love that. And then another song that I wish I wrote, Where Is My Husband by Ray. Dude, that song bomb. Fire. I also wish there's a lot of Sailor songs that I wish I wrote. Like Pookie's Requiem is fire. Itadakimasu is also fire. Freaking yang belakangan ini viral aja, Coconut is fire. Teh saranin alasan buat izin gak masuk sekolah besok. Maaf banget guys, aku pro sekolah. Go to school, stay in school, jangan gak masuk. Education is important. Education is key. Maaf guys, salah member yang ditanya. Kamu kalau mau minta izin alasan tanya member yang lain, jangan tanya aku. Kedua orang tua aku dua-duanya guru, so don't ask me. Queen, am I a dog person or a cat lover? I love both, but I have a dog. Tapi kalau aku pengen kucing sih, tapi kalau aku mau memelihara kucing, I'm gonna get like those fat cats yang gak gerak, yang kerjanya tidur doang, dan kayak aku takut dengan kucing yang agak unpredictable, yang bisa manjat sampai ke atas horden itu aku takut. Aku maunya kayak gendut, kerjaannya tidur doang, kayak yang malas-malasan gitu. Kucingnya Bayla lucu sih. Kemarin kita main ke rumahnya pas Lebaran, tapi kayak kucingnya dia masih suka gerak-gerak, jadi kalau kayak dipegang dia suka kayak aku maunya yang kayak kalau diangkat terus dipegang udah dia kayak, iya, kucing obesitas. Aku maunya yang kayak gendut gitu. semangatin kita buat belajar. Semangat. Aku memprioritaskan lulus kuliah sebelum aku masuk ke Nona, guys. Jadi kalau aku bisa, kalian bisa. Ayo. Education is so cool. Being well educated is so cool. And that's not me saying that, oh my gosh, if you want to be successful in life, you have to get an education. No, there's plenty of people who became successful in life without having to go to school, without having to go to college. But because I grew up in a very education emphasis environment, I love studying. And I think you can learn a lot of things in the school, because I learned a lot about myself as an adult pas aku kuliah. Yes. Kamu lagi skripsian, semangat. Aku dulu training buat Nona pas lagi artist development period sambil nge-skripsi. Jadi nyanyi, nari, skripsi. Nyanyi, nari, cari sumber. Wait, somebody said, they should I make lyrics, sing it, and send demo to couple labels? I don't know if I can do it, or is it cringe? No, do it. Never, ever, 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 ever think that you creating in this world is cringe. Don't ever say that. Jurusannya apa dulu? Aku dulu marketing komunikasi. I like slightly regret it because yeah, I learned a lot, but I should have just taken business. Cause like now that I'm an adult, like now that I'm older, I really want to make a business. Jadi mungkin nanti aku mau S2 atau S3, or maybe ngulang lagi cari S1 tapi beda jurusan. Master bisa main alat musik apa? Nyanyi, Kak. Aku bisa piano, tapi I'm a little rusty karena udah lama nggak disentuh piano aku. Tapi belakangan ini aku lagi mau mencoba lagi. Belajar drum pasti keren. Aku mau banget belajar drum dulu. I think female drummers and female bassists look so cool. Tapi mama dulu tuh takut kalau aku dikasih les drum, aku bakal jadi tomboy. Tapi now that I'm older, I'm like, what's so bad about that? What if I became a tomboy? Who cares? Do I watch Devil Wears Prada? Heck yeah, that's like one of my top 5 favorite movies of all time. All time. Esther, do you agree that your representative animal is a koala? Do I give koala? What is koala about me? I've heard a lot of animal names that represent me, but ini koala pertama kali sih. This is my first time hearing that I'm a koala. Why am I a koala? Oh, Shaz said that? Did Shaz say I'm a koala? Okay, mari kita telepon. Hold on. Let's call her. Edit. I'm on live. Don't say anything stupid.
Oh.
Why do you?
That was dangerous. What the hell?
My friend, like everyone is saying that you said I look like a koala. What is koala about me?
Did I?
Kamu di live
No,
kemarin?
but we okay. Okay, we talked about this earlier, and then we decided that Esther looks like Black Swan.
Oh,
And then well, Baila
Black Swan.
vouched for that. So
Okay.
I guess jawline. That's what she said. I'm like, I agree.
Oh, Black Swan ada jawline ya? Sejak kapan Black Swan?
Tapi tadinya I was gonna say fox karena kayak your eyes and I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Koala
it's still a
bisa jadi
debate,
mana?
everyone.
Oh, it's still a debate.
It's still a
everyone.
debate. Yeah.
Okay, baiklah. Good night. Bye.
Okay, good night, bye. Have fun.
Love you.
I love you.
Black Swan. Jalannya dari mana? Coba kita cari foto Black Swan-nya. I know Black Swan the movie. I don't know. I've never actually seen a Black Swan. Let's see. Tuh kan, fotonya tuh Natalie Portman karena it's a movie. Black Swan animal. Oh. Okay. I guess it has a jawline. Yes. But also my favorite color is black, so maybe that's why they're like Black Swan. Nggak bisa guys, nggak bisa live bareng dia lagi sama keluarganya. Pernah bikin scrapbook gak? Belum. Bukan scrapbook, tapi aku lebih suka bikin junk journal. Tapi udah mager kasih lihat. Sorry. Donatella one day? Heck. Lagu Indo kesukaannya apa? Aduh, banyak guys. I had a Krisha phase. Krisha the artist, but aku juga suka lagu yang andai aku bisa menjadi seperti yang kau minta, ku jadi Juwita. Somebody said Esther is pregnant but always delivers. I think it's supposed to be Esther is not pregnant but she always delivers. Aku agak shock bacanya. Esther is not pregnant but she always delivers. I think that's how it's supposed to go. I love it. Do a prank call. Takut. That can go sideways really fast, so no thank you. Which one do I prefer, wired or wireless headphones? I like wired. I used to like wireless, tapi belakangan ini aku lebih suka pakai wire karena aku sering jatuhin HP. Oops. Dan aku suka banget HP aku tuh nggak pakai casing. Jadi sekarang udah agak, it's a little bit broken and it has scratches on it already. Tapi gimana ya guys, lebih cantik kayak gini. And I like the look of it being worn and a little bit broken. Kayak like nggak kelihatan lagi, tapi kayak gini-gini menurut aku tuh cantik walaupun orangnya kayak sayang banget HP kamu. Tapi menurut aku tuh beli barang mau murah mau mahal buat apa kalau nggak dipakai. And I like having my things look worn out dan kelihatan kalau aku tuh pakai dan digunakan gitu. So yeah, but I use wired headphones. Jadi kayak kalau jatuh, ketangkap gitu. So cool. Somebody asked, Esther, what is your favorite musical movie? Movie musical? My favorite movie musical of all time is West Side Story. West Side Story, the original one. Like, before Rachel Zegler and like before Steven Spielberg kalau nggak salah yang direct the new movie. Not the new one, the old one. West Side Story to me is like Wicked to Baila. That's my all-time favorite. Kayak aku udah hafal every part of that movie. My dorm room is so Indo. Girl, I am in Indo. When are you going back to LA? Soon. Andai aku bisa menjadi seperti yang kau minta, ku jadi Juwita. Aku bentar lagi end deh live-nya. Hayo, mau nanya apa lagi sebelum aku bye-bye? Would you want to do Broadway someday? Listen, I grew up loving theater. I grew up loving musicals, movie musicals, plays. And aku juga dulu sempat performing arts for a little bit. However, I don't have the voice for it. I think I've never gotten proper theater training. And now that I'm 25 this year, jadi my voice tuh udah lumayan. It's hard for me to unlearn things. So I don't think I have the voice for like a Broadway musical because I cannot sing like, theater kids. I think Baila can. Oh, Baila can definitely. She will slay the house down when she goes on Broadway someday, which she will. I have zero doubt in her. But me, karena aku udah matengnya suara R&B, I think I'm gonna stick there. But aku dulu growing up, one of my dreams was to write a musical. I love being behind the scenes, maybe direct a musical someday. But singing in Broadway, maybe not. Gimana perasaannya pas nonton pertandingan basket? Oh iya, kayaknya ada miskonsepsi deh guys. Itu benar nggak katanya? I think my friend works in one of the basketball teams. I'm in no way an abas. Gue bukan abas sama sekali. Nggak sama sekali sih. I enjoy watching basketball games. I know how it works. I enjoy watching the game. Tapi kayak gue bukan abas gitu loh. Aku cuman abas. Ngerti nggak? Kayak aku nggak terlalu ngikutin. Tapi aku seru-seru aja nontonnya. Yang abas ade, betul. Tapi itu aja kayak ada yang kayak nggak ngikutin deh. She's just really good at playing basketball and she loves playing basketball. I don't even play basketball. Okay? I don't have the height. I don't have the strength. I don't have the lincahnya. But I think basketball is such a fun sport to watch. Celebrity crush Indo aku siapa? Nggak ada lagi. Okay, say bye-bye to Pretty Esther. Okay. Pernah ada nggak girl group member ngapus makeup pas live? Maaf guys, aku gerah banget pakai makeup. Come to Brazil, dude. I would love to go to Brazil. From all videos that I've seen from other artists, I think Brazil has an amazing crowd. So I can't wait. Di Indo apa di LA? Aku lagi di Indo. Lagi di rumah aku di Jakarta. My current obsession is decorating my room. So just like finding inspiration on Pinterest to decorate my room. You love black. Do you like black? Batman? That's like the most random question. Aduh guys, belum kesampaian bakso Lebak Bulus. Sumpah gak ada waktu. Did I watch Sabrina in Coachella? Oh yeah, I did. She did amazing. Amazing. Showmanship Sabrina emang keren banget ya. Crazy. We watched her when she was doing Coachella 2 years ago? Last year? Sebelum dia headline, dia masih di panggung sebelah, belum headline. Baila sempet nangis. Cause Baila loves Sabrina Carpenter. Favorite midnight snack? Mie instan. Mie rebus pakai nugget. Enggak ya guys, mie-nya yang rebus terus pakai nugget as a side, bukan nugget rebus. Hah? Emang nugget bisa direbus? Demi apa nugget bisa direbus? Bukannya nugget digoreng? Nuggetnya direbus bareng mie. Oh. Baiklah, aku coba next time. Oke, say bye-bye Alice. Tuh kan aku gak ada Alice. Lihat deh. Aku nggak bisa guys kalau keluar rumah nggak pakai alis karena alis aku so tipis. Digoreng dulu baru direbus. Jadi nuggetnya digoreng terus direbus bareng mie-nya. Atau gimana guys? Maaf ya, aku tidak pernah masuk dapur. Aku nggak terlalu pandai dengan soal masak. Nanti aku tanya Baila deh. Baiklah, memang nugget bisa direbus. Kapan coba guys kalian ada girl group yang hapus makeup pas live? Maaf ya guys, aku segerah itu. Get unready with me. Demi apa? Demi apa? Demi apa? Demi apa? Kok ada yang tahu? Esther, kamu dulu di Daya ya? How do you know that? How do you know that? Who are you? How do you know? What? How do you know? Kamu anak Daya? Wow. Aku dulu sebelum masuk LSPR, aku sebenarnya masuk kuliah lain guys. Aku dulu masuk Daya. Terus karena aku masuk Indonesian Idol, aku harus DO dari Daya. Live. Kamu lagi di mana?
I can't tell you that.
Oh, you're not at home?
No.
Well, why? I told you to sleep.
I ate and I drank chamomile tea. Now I'm gonna sleep soon.
All right then, because you better sleep. You kidding me?
I will sleep, darling.
Oh ya, tadi aku kayak di prank fans deh. Apakah nugget bisa direbus?
Enggak lah, Ete.
Bukan?
Oh, tapi nggak tahu ya kalau misalnya kayak di seblak gitu-gitu.
Seblak cuang.
Karena aku nggak pernah makan. Aku pernah nih makan seblak sekali.
Terus?
Aku
Enak.
suka sih, tapi kan nggak pedes kan yang aku suka. Ini gue ada filter apa sih? Kenapa muka gue kayak setan ya?
Tarik nafas yuk, tarik nafas.
Sabar dulu ya, Besti.
Aku lagi get unready with me karena aku udah gerah pakai makeup dari pagi.
Aku juga cuy, aku udah nyampe-nyampe. Gimana sih cara matiinnya? Ini ya?
Oh, kamu makin runcing di. What? What's happening? Enggak Baila, stop ya Baila. Oke, konnichiwa. Baila-chan. Hai.
Udah gue matiin kan?
Udah.
Nggak ngerti kenapa nyala terus.
Jadi guys, hari ini Baila is operating on 1 hour of sleep. Makanya dari tadi aku udah suruh bobo, dia nggak mau bobo.
I'm operating 1 hour of sleep, you guys, and I feel a little bit hungover, but I didn't drink. Do you know what I mean?
I understand. Yeah, because you only had 1 hour of sleep.
Well, that kind of wasn't my fault. It was because
Emang
I
nggak
will
sih?
tell you later. I will tell you
All
later.
right.
Anyways, everybody.
Yeah.
Well, I was just coming in to say a good night because I was going to wash my face and watch TikToks, but
All right.
I saw that Esther was live, and I was like, "What is this girl doing at 8 p.m.?" So I was like, you know what? I bet she doesn't have any friends to talk to. So I will.
What the heck?
I will talk to you.
I just did my hair with Shaz earlier and I felt pretty. That's why I turned on the live.
Good for you, darling. It does look good. Mine looks a little bit wretched.
No, you look amazing, dear. You look absolutely amazing.
Thank you, love.
Baiklah tadi diomongin Esther.
What did she say?
No, I did not say anything. Aduh.
Aku selalu dengerin You and I Were One. Aku juga kalau aku mau nangis aku dengerin lagu itu. You and I were one. Now I'm just someone laid on the stairs. Words that I've been before.
Baiklah, kameranya dielap tolong katanya.
Dah.
Period. So much better.
Ini gue tuh masih ada filter. Aku nggak ngerti deh sama TikTok guys kayak.
Nggak ada sayang.
Oke.
Nggak guys, Baiklah emang secantik itu. Diem deh lu pada. Stop.
Aku bukan beauty blogger. I'm not a wet Violet, take a seat. Why do you just take a seat? Dah. Tadi lagi ngapain?
Kenapa?
Tadi katanya lagi dikukus handphonenya.
Jujur tapi ya sih. Tadi kayak
Why didn't you say anything, darling?
because I didn't realize. I think
So, Nora, can you guys give us like funny questions and not like things that we cannot discuss right now?
I know I told everyone who asked for like the new song to shut up. I'm like, talk about something else, please.
Ajak Esther makan ketoprak Prayono. Aku udah mau ngajak guys, tapi dia nggak pernah ke arah Lebak Bulus, jadinya kayak ya karena.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. Kak, ada emoji per member gak sih? Guys, sebenarnya kita tuh we've never had a talk about like each member having a certain emoji, tapi we do have emojis that we feel like describes our personality, but it's not like official or anything.
Official. It's just something that we like to use. Nah, kemarin tuh adek sempet post story yang dimana kita satu-satu dikasih emoji and everybody ran with it.
It wasn't her intention to do that. She was just dia mau tutupin muka kita doang.
Yeah.
And people ran with it, but it's okay.
It's okay. It's cute.
I can't. Guys, give us questions that we can actually answer.
Do you know what he said to me?
What?
He was like, "You're so
Rude?
kasar banget, sumpah." Jay, versi Indo. Kasar banget sih.
Kasar banget deh. Kamu bukan kasar dong. Kamu gak sopan banget deh.
Oh iya, kayak
Cowok. Emang aku kelihatan kayak aku peduli?
aku nggak bisa.
Aku aja nggak peduli sama sekali. Kurang.
Peduli sama sekali. Kurang.
Hey, Bella nangis kalau nonton musik siapa? Nonton musik. Yang mana pertanyaannya jadinya? Bella nangis kalau nonton musik apa?
They asked if I would ever do Broadway, and I was like, no, I think Byla will do Broadway.
What do you mean?
I don't have the voice for it, you do. If I were to do Broadway someday, I would be like directing it or writing something. But I don't think I would sing, because I don't have... Orang Wicked aja gue R&B fight. Mau gimana bro?
It was great.
It was
You have
great.
your own way of singing, and I have mine, and I could never be invited to sing with Beyonce because I could never be on her level. You can.
Yes, but you will always be the Broadway star. I can't. Exactly. That's why we complement each other.
Shut spoiling things. What did you say? Kalian kapan latihan Inggris kok langsung expert? Darling, it's because I've told you this once before, no? I am from the UK. I've lived there for many years. So, obviously, I can speak English.
You came out of the womb speaking English.
Kalian prefer savory food or sweet food?
Lately, I've been looking for savory.
Lately, I have been looking for savory.
Yeah, I think it's because our taste palettes have evolved.
From Essex, love. Yeah, I'm from Essex. Where you from?
Jesus.
What? What?
Kalau label ngasih emoji official, kalian mau apa? Ya itu, aku mau black heart. Everything I have is black.
The kissy face.
Black.
Not the kissy face, the kissy lips.
Black.
No, nothing else.
Nothing is black. Tadi aku telepon Ade during this live. Because everybody was like, Esther, Shaz gave you the koala as an animal. Tapi tadi kita baru bahas kalau Violet on a black swan. But I think Violet is a fox or a bunny. A fox and a bunny equals funny.
And I said Esther is literally the black. So, facial structures, she's sharp and she's edgy and she's always serving. Guys, if you ask us one more time to call Christy, she is not going live. She will hate us.
She will never go live. She only wants to live, like literally live performance.
I mean, she's the best at that.
Very good. She is a performer, and Shaz is with her family, so she is not to be disturbed.
Is she? Apa nggak ditanyain?
We do too many covers together. We need to stop covering things.
Guys, stop asking weird freaking questions. Of course I get along with her. Daddy Life Shaz, Christy is cat. She is cat, but she's also golden retriever, personality-wise.
Dude, Christy does give that vibe.
It's like you're black cat and Christy is golden retriever.
Oh my gosh, Shaz gives orange cat energy.
That's so true. And
Right?
they're very kaya unpredictable and they have a lot of energy.
Dan gak bisa diam. That's what I said.
Literally Shaz. Film terakhir yang kalian nonton? Probably the mom on that Tom and Jerry show.
The mom in the Tom and Jerry show. Okay, I've seen it. I like
Big butts and I cannot lie.
Ben 10.
Dia bocah nggak sih teh?
Oh. Sorry. Next. Never mind.
Trying to hear me out is probably
You know what? Tapi ini pas dia udah of age ya. Bukan yang movie pertama. But you know what? Ron Weasley.
literally thinking about the Harry Potter universe. Terus aku mikir kayak ada nggak sih yang sebenarnya ganteng terus kayak
Ron.
orang-orang nggak akan percaya gitu. And I was thinking about Ron, and I was actually thinking about the twins, but the twins.
Aku twins harus hear me out banget sih. Kayak hear me out.
Oh, on the like the episode-episode yang mereka udah lumayan
Kalau Ron kayak the last two movies lah.
yeah.
Rambutnya udah dibersihin dan whatnot. He's older.
The twin ganteng tuh kan, bener. Tapi yang satu mati, ya tahu kali.
I'm not even gonna touch the new Harry Potter.
I'm not touching it too.
Sorry, nothing can beat the nostalgia. Toothless, as a hear me out. Oh my god.
Oh, and people also say, actually, Kafit always say that I look like Toothless's girlfriend.
There you go. Yang putih kan si siapa namanya tuh? Siapa namanya? Angel. Oh enggak, Angel pacarnya Stitch, the pink girl.
She's so cute.
That's Christy. Oh, Astrid. Her name is Astrid. Astrid?
Astrid is the girl, bro. No, like the.
Yeah, Astrid is the girl.
Not Astrid. Astrid's the girl with the braided hair.
I used to have a crush on Astrid. She's so badass. I love Astrid.
It's her. I love the the movie they made.
Favorite bit from Sabrina's Coachella set? Give it to me.
Me?
Mm.
Mine is man-child because the men are all dogs.
Lucu sih. Ada yang
All dogs.
that's so funny.
You?
I loved her entire freaking stage production setup. Itu cantik banget. Crazy.
Did you wish you Esther? I've already said this before, but I feel like everything by Ariana Grande, but specifically Needy or NASA.